In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add another category in here. So unlike these ones over here, this actually leads to the shop, but it doesn't only have to lead to the shop, it can lead somewhere else. So firstly, let me just show you what it's doing. So these are all links that go to these categories. Now if we click on that, online shop, as you can see, we need to upload a photo for food packaging. But if we add another category in here, it's not going to show in here by default. So let me just show you how you do that manually. So I need to create a category called Food for Life. So I'll go into the back end, admin login. Good, it's remembered that I was in there last time. I go into web shop. And then I go categories, and I'm going to create this new one. It is a parent category, so we're not going to put it under anything else. I don't have any images to upload, so John will need to do that too. And I don't have a description yet, so John will need to add a description as well. So I click Save Category. And now let's just go and have a look at that. So if I go leave admin area, and I click on online shop, we can now see that we have a Food for Life category. Now I just want to show you something else. If I click on that, it's got this really big complex name in there, and we don't want it like that. We want it to be more human reader friendly and also more friendly to search engines. So what I do is I copy from the / there, so just so it says everything after modules, and I copy that, go back into the admin area, and the first thing we're going to do is use our Spinning Planet search engine optimization tool to change the link's name. So I go in here and I go, here's the original URL. You don't need the whole domain name such as survival / you only need modules and the rest of the bit after it. And I'm going to give it a friendly name called Food for Life. I'm going to make it all lowercase because the internet prefers that. And it also just makes it more consistent. We can see these other friendly URLs up here. They're all lowercase, and instead of using spaces, they use dashes because it's just nicer for the internet. And we want it to rewrite it. So what that means is whenever somebody goes to this address here, it's always going to rewrite it as Food for Life. If you wanted to be really clever as well, you could also do separate keywords, separate titles, separate page description to attract Google. But for the time being, we're just going to do that. Now you watch this. If I change this address at the top to food-for-life, I'm just going to copy all of that. It now takes me to that category, but we haven't got any products in it. So now we want it to appear in this drop down. So we go back into our admin area. And then we go to site links. And what we want to do is add a sublink under our online shop link. So you just click this little plus icon which says create sublink. And the link name is Food for Life. And the URL is that new friendly URL that we did. That was all lowercase, food-for-life. And we won't worry about a description. That's all good. Create the link. So let's just go back and have a look at that. Over here we have the order of our links though. So if I want Food for Life, HOJKLMNO, to come up before food packaging, then I have to swap them around. So if you see down here, Food for Life is number 25, whereas food packaging is number 10. So I'm going to make Food for Life link number 10 and food packaging link number 11, general safety 12, and you just keep on going down, pushing them all down. and that should do it. So now let's have a look at that. I click update. It's getting there. Now we'll leave the admin area. And now if we click on online shop or hover over it, it's not showing up. Oh no, hold on. My machine caches stuff. So if you press Control F5, it forces it to go and get the latest version of the website. And now it's in there, Food for Life. And that's how you create a sublink inside the online shop menu.